Hi guys, Val from Advisorion here. In today's video I will review A2Hosting, awesome web hosting from my standpoint, and I will share my personal experience with it and my honest opinion why exactly A2Hosting is slightly ahead of other web hostings out there. There is a ton of web hosting options, yes, you know that, and I've tried them all, and you know what? A2Hosting quickly became one of my staples. I host the majority of my website there, and everybody whom I recommend this hosting was incredibly satisfied. In this video, I will explain in details why that happened. I would like to share what exactly I use, why I use it, and what is my take on it. Only the stuff that I personally tried and used for a while, so you can easily go ahead, grab link in description below and try it for yourself. So, why I use it? Before A2Hosting, I've tried numerous hosting providers, but nothing seems to fit a number one purpose of every online entrepreneur: get a website up and running correctly and securely within minutes. That's what A2Hosting fulfills extremely well. I just love their A2 optimized WordPress solution. I use it in a large number of websites. It's really convenient to bootstrap WordPress solution securely and fast enough not to bother without any other extensions. You just need to connect your domain, then one click to install WordPress and you are done. Let me show you over-the-shoulder look on how exactly you can just model what I just told you. So we are in my personal cabinet, then I go cPanel quick login here. Actually, cPanel is quite popular among web hosting providers. Many of them use this cPanel as admin template, but every hosting provider just gave you own twist on this admin panel. So it is A2Hosting version of cPanel. So in scripts, we are looking for WordPress A2 optimized. We go there and then install. Here I choose protocol SSL, and in this drop down I choose that domain that I would like to install WordPress. Here is a blank. This should be your site name, description, desired username and password, and admin email, and just install. How quickly is that? It is super quick, it's awesome, and I honestly believe that it is faster than it could be. What will happen when you choose to install A2 Optimized? As stated in this article, A2 Optimized includes following features: page caching, database caching, minification, reCAPTCHA, login page will be not on WP/admin, image compression. That's all working pretty damn good. So I honestly advise you not to bother with own take on WordPress installation. Just go ahead with A2 Optimized. That's good enough. So I would like also to show you support tab and tickets. As you may see, only 6 tickets so far, and all of them are closed. And that said, support is quite responsive. I haven't experienced any case when support can help, and honestly 6 tickets for such a long period of time that I've used this hosting is quite small amount of tickets. Do you agree? Another feature I would like to mention for you is when you install WordPress A2 Optimized, you have free SSL certificate, and it's quite rare to have such combination of free SSL and pre-optimized one-click WordPress installation. It's just rare to find, trust me. And I really like this combination because you may be aware of that Google ranks websites that are HTTPS a little bit higher than others if anything else is quite similar. So I think that it is a nice point to have, and I use it in every installation, so I genuinely recommend to use this option. Let's talk briefly about downsides and words to be aware of. I personally don't have any issue with this hosting provider whatsoever. The only thing that I can mention, if you have a really large online business, you'd better look at another solution called WP Engine. Here it is. In a tab solution, we have agency, enterprise, small, medium businesses. I can explain this as more of like enterprise level of hosting provider, and if you have such big online business, you definitely should look more deeper in WP Engine because it's specifically designed for this purpose. Regarding small and medium business, I found that price point of WP Engine comparing to A2Hosting or other competitors is slightly overpriced, but I think that their enterprise level solutions is quite good in pricing, so you definitely should check them out also. If we touch a theme of strong alternatives of A2Hosting, as I mentioned, the WP Engine, we can talk about another top-notch solution, Bluehost. It is market leader, and it was market leader like a long time, and I also use Bluehost for diversification of placement of my digital assets, and moreover it is officially recommended by WordPress itself, as is stated here. So it's quite nice to have such like official version, but comparing Bluehost and A2Hosting, I think A2Hosting is slightly better in terms of predefined solution that give you up and running solution in a minute. It's fast, it's optimized. I really like it. So my final thoughts about A2Hosting and this particular review. I hope that review gave you an idea of what hosting provider is exactly worth trying. Don't hesitate to take the first steps towards building your online presence through it. Just give your own test. When you proceed, by link in the description below, I will put link on A2Hosting, on WP Engine, and also Bluehost, so you can go ahead, click them and check them out. When you click A2Hosting in particular, you can go to shared hosting, you see my special discount, then save now, this kind of comparison, choose what is actual for you and just get the particular hosting plan and get started to build or extend your online business and digital presence. Hope you really like this review. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel because I plan to do much more of that useful over-the-shoulder reviews explaining my personal experience with either digital apps or tools or online courses. Hope you're excited. Well, from Advisorion, what there, see you next time.